How to upload activity in Strava App. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you how to upload activity in Strava App. The first thing to do is to open your app on your phone. That's the Strava app on your phone. Once you've ensured that you've opened it on your phone, you'll be directed to a page. That's the home page. You'll be directed to this page where you have the list of activities that you've done using this app. Then you have a lot of activities. You click on any of this activity that you want to use. Once you've clicked on it, you wait for it to load. Once the page has loaded, you will be given the details of the activity that you carried out. So here on my screen, I have my name, the time I carried out the activity, the distance, the pace, the moving time, the elevation gain, and so on. So below it, I have three icons. I have the like icon, I have the message icon, then I have the share icon. So you click on the share icon just like I'm doing here, okay? After you've clicked on it, a drop down menu will be displayed where we have several options of how you want to share your activity. So here we have the first option is send to. The next option is post to. So here you are going to click on the post to icon that is just after the send to icon. So once you've clicked on it, you wait for the page to load. Then once it has loaded, you'll be given options of where you want to post your activity to. So this is simply how to upload activity on Strava. It's very simple and it's something that you can try out. Okay, so thank you.